when starting your car, your BMW is telling you that you have some service to do, you can come check in your iDrive, if it's equipped with an iDrive, for what service you need. And when you check here, for instance, on mine, it shows that I need to do a brake fluid flush. So I've completed that, and the way to reset that indicator now in the car is you need to go, just pull the key out, put the key back in. You'll notice the light's coming on. Hit the button again. This is called terminal 15 position. At this point, you want to wait till all the lights go away, and it shows the time and the temperature. Hold the odometer reset button on your instrument cluster. Hold it for some time. And then at that point, you'll start seeing the things that need to be reset. In my case, this is the brake fluid. It shows that January 2022. The other items are okay. So we'll go here, we'll hold the BC button down. It says reset. Holding it down. Goes away. Now we can check that by just turning the car off, pulling it out, the key, putting the key back in, and we see that everything has been cleared.